Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us. How are you all? I hope you are always healthy, good luck, and always enthusiastic. Dear friends, there is a wise man who once said that life is like a washing machine. We are turned, twisted, and dropped many times in it. But in the end, because of that, we can be cleaner, brighter, and better than previously. But it's not about life, it's about washing machine.
Bisa lagi? Sepeda!
Hello everyone, I'm Hesti Sulistiawati from class 12 MIPA 1 SMA Negeri 1 Bantul. On this occasion, I will share a tutorial on washing clothes using a washing machine. Many people choose to buy a one-tube washing machine because it is faster to use and saves laundry time at home. Just imagine, after putting dirty clothes into the tube, you just press one button, then all the clothes are clean and dry in no time. There is no longer the process of moving clothes to be put in the dryer, which often takes up time between activities. But before that, I will explain the function of the buttons on this washing machine so you don't make mistakes. The meaning of the buttons and their functions must be understood by washing machine users. In fact, even those of you who already understand need to know in full the uses of the washing machine buttons. This is to minimize errors in operation. Number 1. Power and start or pause button. The power button is used to activate the washing machine when it is plugged into the socket. Meanwhile, the start or pause button functions to start the washing machine when the user has determined the program used. Number 2. Spin, rinse, and wash buttons. These three buttons, namely spin, rinse, and wash, are programs for washing. These three programs are usually used together at the same time. Number 3. Washing machine water level button. There is the level of water used to wash the clothes to be washed. The term is a detector or sensor of the volume of water that enters the tube. Number 4. Eco Tube Clean button. Eco Tube Clean is used to wash washing machine tubes so they don't get dirty. Maybe not all of them have the Eco Tube Clean feature, but washing machines can use it when the tube has been used many times and needs to be washed. Number 5. Button Jeans, Blanket, Delicate. You can use the jeans, blanket, and delicate buttons according to the type of clothes to be washed. Because with the help of this feature, the system of the washing machine will be different when washing jeans with blankets or delicates. Number 6. Fuzzy and quick wash buttons. On the fuzzy button, the washing machine will make normal engine rotation. Meanwhile, the quick wash washes faster than the fuzzy. So that was the function of the buttons on the washing machine. Then I will show you a tutorial on how to use the washing machine properly. For the tools and materials needed only a washing machine, laundry soap, water, and dirty clothes. Number 1. Preparation. First, prepare the washing machine one tube that will be used, whether it has been connected to an outlet or not. Then separate the clothes to be washed between white and colored ones so they don't fade. In addition, also check whether there are objects stored in the pockets such as coins, safety pins, or metal clips that can get stuck in the tube and damage the inside of the washing machine compartment. Number 2. Fill water and put clothes. Connect the water faucet hose to the washing machine. This washing machine will automatically fill the water in the tube. Number 3. Add detergent or laundry soap. Make sure to add laundry detergent or soap to make clothes cleaner and smell better. In fact, you can also add bleach or stain remover if necessary. Number 4. Select wash cycle. Usually, users of washing machine use the washing, rinsing, and drying program. Not only that, but there are also other washing cycles, such as for blanks, jeans, delicates, and many more. Number 5. Start washing. Close the washing machine doors and click the start button. So your washing machine will automatically start washing according to the cycle it is running. No need to wait for the washing process because the washing machine works automatically. And when it's finished, an alarm will sound. Number 6. Dry clothes in the sun. Even though you have used the spin or drying feature, the laundry is not completely dry. It should also be noted, make sure the cable from the washing machine is not connected to the socket. That was a tutorial on washing clothes using a washing machine. Hopefully, friends can use the washing machine with the right steps. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Udah mana?